Coming out. Call back. White House officials later disclosed that the unusual flight of Air Force One was unauthorized and unmanned. The lone figure seen inside the plane, dubbed the Air Force One Angel, is yet to be identified by federal authorities. Impressive to find that flag. I think that's right by yourself. Huh. What was it called? Oh, Peace. Yeah, I feel at peace with that one. Oh, I admit that does. This is fun. I like this. I don't know where it's going. Lincoln Looker. Oh, I love it. This is so fun. All right. I think that's a good place to wrap it for today, right? We're good on time, you think? We've watched, what, 5 of them? 3? 4? I think 3. Oh, yeah, we've done 4. I don't want to watch too many of those. This we can spread it out a bit. Overall thoughts, I like it. I think this is fun. This is from the channel Mr. Manticore. If you want to get ahead on me here, support the Monument Mythos, Ko-Fi, some really cool stuff that they have going on here. Creepy avatar. But yeah, I'm excited about this. I'm excited about this series. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure. On one hand, you have Alcatraz, that's a living, breathing cell.
I can't laugh at you. Oh, I'm sorry. You're funny. I know.